Hey, do you remember this? You're hanging out at the mall with your friends on a hot summer day, listening to Michael Jackson and Cyndi Lauper playing Miss Pac-Man and Centipede at the arcade, and then you head to the food court, and there it is. The promise of sweet, frothy, orangey goodness, the Orange Julius stand. Oh, you don't remember? Well, ask your parents, or maybe even your grandparents. Grandparents. Hey friends, my name is Dennis Sadberry. I'm a realtor out here in Queen Creek, Arizona, and I love to cook, or in this case, blend. Today, we're making my take on the classic Orange Julius. So let's get started. You'll need a 12-ounce can of frozen orange juice, slightly thawed, 1 cup milk, 1 cup water, and a cup and a half of ice. I'm also going to add a couple of extra ingredients. My wife loves the doTERRA, so we have their wild orange and their lemon. All right, let's get blending. In the blender, go ahead and add the orange juice concentrate, the milk, the water, the sugar, the vanilla extract, the ice. I'm using doTERRA, but you could certainly use what's available in the supermarket. I'm adding about 5 drops of orange and just 1 or 2 drops of lemon. Put on the lid and blend until you don't hear the ice cracking anymore. Here we go. Okay, here it is. My take on the Orange Julius. Let's give it a taste. Oh my goodness. Oh man, that's good. So much flavor. Those little extra drops of those essential oils, you definitely taste all the orange, a little bit of that vanilla. It's cold, it's frothy, it's delicious. It's just like summer in the 80s. Thank you for joining. And if you're looking to buy any real estate out in the Phoenix area, please consider giving me a call. All right. Peace. Love. Out.